Okay, so this top section here is worth 2 marks. 2 of those 9 marks are for your presentation. You need to, any calculation you do, you need to annotate it with a little subheading. Okay, so we got electric bill here. We've got a standing charge, 28 pence per day. The energy charge, 14 pence per kilowatt hour used, and then there's VAT on top the charges. So let's see the standing charge first of all. It's 28 pence per day, and we're talking about 90 days. So to calculate the standing charge, that's going to be 90 times 28, that's in pence. So to set that up then, I'll write it around the other way, 28 times 90, easier to multiply here, put a naught down, 8 9s 72, 2 down carry 7, 2 9s are 18 and 7 is 25. So that answer is in pence. So to change that into pounds and pence, just bring the decimal point 2 places to the left, and that's £25.20. Now the cost of the energy. Cost of the energy is 14 pence per kilowatt hour, and he's used 850 of those. So we'll work out 850 times 14. Again, that's going to be in pence. So right, there's no, put this round this way this time, 850 times 14. Right, so multiply by the 4 first of all. Nothing times 4 is nothing. 5 4s are 20, naught down carry 2, 8 4s are 32, and 2 is 34. Put a naught down, multiply by the 10. Nothing times 1 is nothing. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 times 1 is 8. Add those up. That's nothing. That's nothing. 9. 3 and 8 is 11. There. So that is in pence. 11900 pence. So bring it back 2 places, change it to pounds. So that's £119. So the total payable then for the charges, the total is £25.20 plus the 119. So 0 to 5 and 9 14, 4 down carry 1, 2 1 is 3 and 1 is 4. So it's £144.20, and I'm going to be paying 5% VAT on that. So the VAT, okay, so to find 5%, I'm going to work out 10% first of all. So 10% of £144.20. So to work out 10%, just divide by 10, so that's £14.42. So 5% will be half of that. So I'll just do that down here. £14.42 divided by 2. 214 goes 7. Decimal point. 2 into 4 goes twice. 2 into 2 goes once. So that's £7.21. So the total bill, the total of the charges, £144.20 plus £7.21. Line the decimal points up. Nothing in 1 is 1, 2 and 2 is 4, 4 and 7 is 11, 1 down carry 1, 4 1 is 5. So the bill, including VAT, is £151.41. Okay, I say this is year 9 because that first sentence there, this is actually 7 and 2, and the 2 marks are for these labels that I'm doing as I do my calculations.